you wanna learn more, how to read charts, paano malaman ang you are invited to join our masterclass natin on WIPH-ELITE. We'll run an 8-week session, coming from basics to advanced session, and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term principles.
Magandang gabi, everyone. Sorry yan, yung mic ko talagang ano siya, no? So, magandang gabi, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in for tonight. Sorry, wala kahapon. May mga kailangan asikasuhin lang. But, yeah, at least I'm here now. And then, try to bawi, to make bawi, no? Saka bukas, meron pa rin tayo. Tuloy pa rin natin to tomorrow. So, there you go again. Thank you so much. Yeah, nag-e-echo nga kanina. I think kasi naka-share screen din siya. Yeah, there you go. Help me share this screen. Help me share this live to your friends or to your family who wanted to invest in the US market. We can also help them in terms of advice, not just in trading, but also in investing. Yan. Magandang gabi again to everyone. I hope you're doing good. I hope your report are all green, not just in the US market, but in general as well. All right, so let's get to it. It's 9:05 in the evening and Philippine time, no? Tingnan natin ang market diretso pala, guys. Diretso tayo. Tingnan natin where is the market. Will the market reverse this week? That's actually a million-dollar question. And will the market also reverse on this month? That's also one general question that kailangan natin sagutin together. And good news, the crypto market, no? Grabe yung Bitcoin going to target to 70, 50 plus. Tama ba? Yeah, grabe ang BTC and all the crypto din as well in general. So tingnan natin later, isa-isahin natin yan. Tingnan natin by sector as well. Where is the sector going? Again, requesting everyone to really share this live stream on to your friends and also to you the groups that you have, no? So para ma-influence natin sila to invest in the stock market. Yan, ano nangyari dun sa aking kamerang matindi. Okay, so magandang gabi, Renzel Toledo. First, hello. Fe Margaret Wazon and Ran Tabilas. Okay, check natin. Let's go to the weekly chart. Weekly chart muna tayo. Okay, the weekly chart right now, the market is trying to still correct, but good thing about it, the market is still holding on this position here, trying to reject this area, but definitely as I mentioned last week as well, that the market must stay above this violet line or my EMA 20, and it's trying to do so as well, no? Medyo the market is strong at this moment in time, but no, it's still not yet a reversal so far. So dapat medyo pa rin tayong take profit, position sa ilalim, yan ang mga gagawin pa rin natin. Tingnan natin kung how's the market going to react as is also, no? But if we're gonna zoom it out, we're still bullish even on the monthly chart, in the monthly timeline here. Yeah, very very bullish tayo. Very bilis, no? Nasa EMA 5. So most likely, I'm looking at this support level here. On a weekly chart, we haven't touched the EMA 50. So around this area here, by this area, most likely, tingnan natin kung if the market will go there. Yeah, we need to prepare some cash there. And also the all-time high here around this area in general. So it's not yet reversing, but I think this is also an opportunity for us to buy good companies at good price din nila. Like Alibaba, tingnan natin kung later kung ano yung mga yon together. Yan. Okay, that's the overall market. How about if we're gonna check also on the daily chart, as you all see here, the market is really rejecting this EMA 50 there on the daily chart. So that's also a sign that the market really wants to pull back some more. No, yan ang titingnan din natin dyan. And the good thing about it, in the opening of the September 29, which is this area, September 30. Okay, September 30 is here. Okay. Diyan nag-close ang market on the September. It's trying not to go below. But tingnan din natin kung how is it gonna react, kung paano dyan. So, yung mga levels na titingnan natin are my blue lines. Diyan tayo mamimili aggressively. Okay? Magbebenta tayo, dapat kung magkaroon to ng red candle in the next few days, bawas-bawas tayo para sure na may profit, may hiuwi before magbulusok bababa further. So, yan isa mga dapat din natin tingnan as the market reacts to the MI50. One also that I also notice as well, the Nasdaq 100 also is also reacting the same way, no? Medyo this is more aggressive, but it's also reacting the same way. And what's good about the Nasdaq, it's trying to retest this area here. Hindi pa niya ginagawa. So most likely for the tawag dyan, mga stocks ng mga US stocks, may konting iaangat pa to before the retest will happen. So possible umangat pa ng konti, then we will know from there kung ano yung magiging reaction ng market. Because if you also notice the MACD, no, is medyo may konting volatility na nagka-tight on around this area. Sellers are medyo nauubos and very very bullish RSI momentum there. So tingnan natin kung how the market will react. Medyo malakas ang tech stocks in general. Yan, isa din yan titingnan natin. Later natin i-check together yung mga sector, but on this time period, let's maximize this one to check the crypto market. So there you go. So for tonight, medyo ang overall sentiment, possible the energy stock is driving it down, cyclical, or pwede tingnan natin later kung sino yung drive down ng total market. But definitely our Nasdaq is still way bullish as of the moment. As of today, definitely. All right, so let's go to our crypto market. Let's go first with Bitcoin. I was pretty amazed with Bitcoin, no? Ang lakas ng Bitcoin as of in general. After breaking the supply zone there, nagtuloy-tuloy siya, madali na lang. Trying to break another supply zone, but dito pa lang medyo nagkakaroon na ng pause. Nagkakaroon na ng pause ang Bitcoin. So definitely continue nyo dyan after the falling wedge, rising wedge, falling wedge. After this one, this pattern here made the continuation pattern all throughout 257,000. That's very good news. But right now, it's on the resistance, on a momentum perspective, ang lakas niya as of the moment. But if you wanted to take profit, medyo resistance na yan. Pwede. Kasi mas likelihood na ibalik niya dito. Likelihood. Baka nga ako, magbawas muna siguro ako. Wait lang, balas tayo dito. Dadalawang isip ako magbawas eh. Parang sayang kasi profit din guys, you know. Bawas siguro ako dito konti. Just to make sure. Kailan ba ito bibili? 9. Ito mga binili ko recently siguro. 400. 300, yeah. There you go. Bawas tayo. Nasa resistance na. Respetuhin natin ng resistance. Tanggalin ko to. Okay. Yan. Okay. In general, hindi siya nagbawas. Wait lang Saan niya din? Uy. Why are you rejecting my, Okay na. So, I have $600 there. Tinanggal ko yung 6,300. And we're back. Okay tayo dyan. Free assets yung iba. Free assets yung the rest. Alright, there you go. So, for Bitcoin there, medyo I'm expecting a pullback there. Around 6% before siya mag-rally ulit. Siguro pagdating doon, saka ako ulit bibili. But still bullish as of the moment, but I'm really expecting a pullback happen. If not, if mali man ako, at least I still have positions open at the top, no? Medyo may mga positions pa ako open. Check out natin yan kung how is it gonna react together then dyan, no? Yan. Alright, there you go. Sige, check natin. Ang Palladium is pulling back. Check natin yung Palladium na yun. Yeah, there you go. Sige, check natin yan. Okay, before we go there, let's go to Ethereum. Tingnan natin ang Ethereum. Kung same lang ba yung itsura ni Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum is playing around the supply zone. Very bullish. Mas maganda ang ginagawa ni Ethereum compared to Bitcoin because it's preparing mas nagpe-prepare siya ng off-take nito no? In terms of the how is it performing on a price action basis, no? Medyo maganda yung ginagawa niya. If you look at that, it's trying to consolidate on the EMA20 with the less volume, waiting for new buyers to come in. So very promising because it's actually respecting the supply zone around this area or the resistance around this area to really attack this all-time high there. So maganda to ginagawa nito. Abangan nyo to guys. Abangan na natin tong ating Ethereum na yan. So after breaking out or the reversal on this area, maganda ginagawa nito. So I think this gonna go first before Bitcoin. Isa yan sa promising. Medyo promising ang pinapakita ni Ethereum in general. So that's good to know. Okay, let's go to XRP. XRP. Okay, bawas-bawas tayo XRP. XRP, medyo laggards ng konti, but definitely good thing about it, nag-reversal na siya. That's one good news for XRP. Yeah. So definitely, tingnan natin to kung how is it gonna turn out. But definitely, I'm more looking into Ethereum than XRP as of the moment. Medyo mas maganda yung base na ginagawa niya above. So on a price basis. So, but sellers are taking over on this area, no? Pero tingnan natin how is it gonna turn out. But still good because at least hindi tinapos siya nitong pababa. Kasi ito crucial tong area na to eh. Kung hindi, baka bumagsak pa kasi yan. So, at least binirake out na niya. And as of the moment, ayaw nilang ibaba on this level. So still good. But in terms of the faster asset, Ethereum is much faster. Bitcoin is much faster than XRP as of the moment. So good thing yun yung mga nakita natin price action so far ni Ethereum. Last natin si Shiba Inu. Okay. ADA USD. ADA Cardano is really not on a medyo bad shape ng konti si ADA Cardano, but on a good side. It's playing around their EMA 100 there, a very very strong resistance. Okay? Pero still, ang bilis kasi ng inangat nito eh, no? Kaya mabilis din yung bagsak niya. So definitely, nagkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na coiling on beef. Tagalin natin tong supply zone na yan, ha? Ayan, no? Medyo may coiling between the 50 and the 100. So titingnan natin, itatrack natin yan. Maybe it's gonna hold on this base. Okay, medyo mahaba-haba ang gagawing kailangan gawin nito. And this is not a good pattern. Kasi pag nagkaroon to ng handle dito, tapos baka mag-dip down ng ganyan. So, this is a reverse cap and handle pattern. So, tingnan natin how is it gonna play out. But good thing as of the moment, it's on the base of the support. So, definitely, price action-wise, still good. Okay. But compared to the top, siguro sa top, sa lahat, from the four that I have mentioned, one in terms of the price action, I'm still gonna hope for Bitcoin followed by Ethereum. Then this will be my last. Okay, mas maganda yung itsura ni XRP versus ADA as of the moment. So kung honestly pare-pareho naman sila ng galaw, pare-pareho naman sila ng destinasyon, pabilisan na lang sino yung mauuna. So definitely Bitcoin will be number one, or Ethereum will be number one, then Bitcoin, based on price action. No, based on price action. Let's go to BNB. Isa yan sa mga titingnan natin. It's 9:17. Mababa pang oras natin for this one. Tingnan natin dito. Nasa BNB USD ko. Yan. Binance Coin. BNB USD. There you go. Okay. Ano yung mga inahawakan yung crypto to? Maganda. O baka ilipat ko dito. Yung aking... Ayan. Mas maganda pa to kaya sa ano. Ganda rito oh. Tingnan natin si ADA. Tingnan natin si Ethereum. Tingnan ko lang si Ethereum guys. Ulit. Mas maganda si BNB. Maglalagay akong BNB today. Okay. Definitely kung titingnan mo sa lahat so far, ang ganda ni BNB. Okay, ganda ni BNB price action wise oh. Ganda oh. Okay, but still we have wala nang supply zone dito eh. Mahina na tong resistance na to. So, mahinahin ang resistance. Ang ganda ng ginawa. So, definitely kung titingnan mo dyan on a price action perspective there oh. So, after the breakout, then retest around this area, followed by another retest on this resistance. Maybe same lang siya kay Cardano eh, no? Kaya balik natin kay Cardano, guys. Tingnan natin si Cardano. Hindi, mas maganda yung tsura nun eh. Same lang. Pero ito kasi, above sa mga moving average na si BNB. Tingnan natin ulit. Tingnan natin. May-memorize ko na yun sila eh. May-memorize ko na yung tsura nila. Ayan no, mas maganda. Bibili ako nito. Dito ko ililipat yung binili ko kay Bitcoin. Yan, 300. Okay, there you go. May pera ako. May pera ako so far. Okay. Check natin BTC, USDT. Tapos na tayo kay BTC. BTC, nasa take profit mode ng konti si BTC on the resistance. Let's go to Shiba Inu. Ayan, Shiba Inu. Because I think just today, Elon Musk released a prediction on what's gonna happen with what do you call this? With Shiba Inu. On a price action perspective, momentum pa din ang ipinapakita ni Shiba Inu. Ang gandang ginagawa nito. On a pattern wise, that's a kung ipa-follow nito, that's a bullish flag. No? Bullish flag pattern yan. Tingnan natin kung ipa-follow na to. Pero ang ganda ng ginagawa niya on a momentum basis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Ay, nako. Yan. Tingnan natin kung i-hold niya tong EMA 20 there. If you also notice, the price is holding above this area with increasing of sellers. Tingnan natin kung it's gonna hold it there or sasaloyin ba ng EMA 50. Kung sasaloyin ng EMA 50, possible this is a major sideways as of the moment. For now, ang ganda na pinapakita niya. If it's gonna go green in the next 4 hours, I would buy more or break out on this level here. Bibili ako dito. Bibili ako Shiba Inu. Yung Shiba Inu ko nasa kabila eh. So, let me know on the chat box, anong meron kayong crypto na yung gusto nyo ipatsingin? We have 10 minutes to check what mga crypto na meron kayo para malaman natin kung anong mga meron kayo dyan, guys. Yan. Good evening din, Jobs Villanueva, for watching also on YouTube. Thank you so much for supporting our YouTube. Medyo hindi pa natin pinofocus yan, but pahabol tayo dyan. SLP and okay, sige, check natin yung SLP and Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin and SLP. Yeah, link. Bumili din pala yung link together, right? Okay, I think bumili nga tayo ng link. Sige, unahin natin yung link. Okay. Nako, ang pangit ang ginawa ni link. Baka tanggalin ko yung binili kong link. Wait lang. Check natin. After reversal there, medyo humina siya. Nagkaroon ng reversal din pababa. Parang pangit ang link. Okay, ang ganda ng ginawa niya initially after the breakout, nag-consolidate but it failed to do so. So, possible to on a regular, possible pa kay Catlus ko yung link ko dito. May link ako dito eh. Tanggalin ko muna to. 9-6-10. 10-6. Ito, tanggalin ko muna tong link ko dito. Thank you. Buti na lang, na-Catlus ko to. Bago pa mag-dip. Okay, pangit ang ginawa niya. After the breakout there, nagaganda ng ano niya. Hindi kinaya tong supply zone na dito, no? Hirap siya dito, umangat. So most likely, ito titingnan natin, most likely possible to bumaba dito around 11% as of the moment for Link. Medyo bearish sentiment tayo for Link ngayon. Ganda ng ginawa sana dito eh. Ganda ng base na kinocreate. Hindi lang niya kaya maitulak. So, isa din yun ng mga factors na tingnan natin. Sige, tingnan natin next. SLP, USDT. Okay, ito natin itong SLP. SLP. Tingnan natin si SLP. SLP is still need to create a base but if magka-close to ng green today, that's a higher low. Okay, that's a higher low. So kung magkaroon to ng green today, this is a low. Kung magkaroon niya ng green today, possible a test buy can be a good decision there because that's a low. So ito yung magiging high niya so far. But on other perspective as well, it wants to create more base. Definitely. On a other perspective, gusto niyang gumawa pa ng much stronger base. If we're gonna notice it so far. But good thing about it, sellers are not that significant. Okay, sellers are not significant so far. But possible, hindi pa enough yung base niya kaya binabagsakan pa siya. Okay, but tingnan natin. If it's gonna, again, it's gonna close green. Test buy may be a good decision there. Ano nangyari dito? Naka-Catlus lagi ako dito. Na-fake out ako nitong notgas ko Tina-trade ko kasi wait lang Halo ko $60. Uy, ano yan dito? Teka lang titignan ko lang to. Anong gusto ipakita nito sa akin? Okay. Natin. Alright, so Dogecoin as well. People wanted to check Dogecoin. Baka dito ako kumuha ulit nito. Kung mag-retest dito. Kasi medyo bullish na sa 1 hour. Di tayo. Balik tayo dyan. Babalikan ko to na shorting ko yan. Okay. Kaya natin si Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Yan, Doggy. Doggy USD. Say, isa din to. Ang pangit ang ginawa nito. Isa din to sa hindi niya sinunod yung gusto niyang gawin. Okay? Sinunod ng mas nangibabaw ang sellers. If you notice, after the breakout, trying to consolidate like yan doon. Okay. Nawala. Okay, Dogecoin there. Balikan natin to Oops, wait lang. Tanggalin ko na nga to. Okay. After the breakout, kung titingnan nyo guys, medyo, ito ba yun? Dogecoin, tama? US dollar. After the breakout there, gusto niya itawid pero malakas yung sellers. Okay, lakas ng sellers. Baka talagang ano na to, tawag nila latak sa itsura niya. O medyo consolidate pa ng malaki. Kasi possible may distribution na hindi pa tapos dyan. Ayun, hindi pa tapos yung distribution. So for this one. And also kung titingnan mo din, this is a tama dyan, descending triangle. No? So far, wala pa talaga Wala pa talaga siyang buy basis. Okay, Tron. It's a si Tron na maganda ipinakita na price action in the last few days. Ayan, kasi binalik ni Tron. Ayan. Okay, si Tron. Ang ganda rin yung kinata ni Tron. Kung titingnan nyo dito pinakita ni Tron, after the breakout, sinell off. Okay? But good thing about it, it's holding. Okay, kailangan mag-hold ni Tron dito. After the reversal, trying to pull off a base, fake breakout yung nangyari, then binalik, no? Kung titingnan nyo. Look at the volume. Insignificant masyado yung sellers. So, kung titingnan, kung magkaroon to ng good green candle in the next few days, that's a very, very good news for Tron. So, pero maganda pa rin, maganda pa rin price action-wise niya. Ang isa lang natin kailangan ingatan dito is this one. Okay? Baka, ito. Here. Yan. Isang pangit na pamitain yan. Okay? The base is here. Yan. So that's why very, very crucial yung area na to. Because kung ituloy niya yan, head and shoulder yan. So kung bumagsak yan, dire-diretso yan sa baba. Hanggang possible, usually ayan. Most likely around this area ang babagsak. Kaya crucial to. Hintayin muna natin matapos to, saka natin tingnan ulit. Nagkaroon ng fake breakout Ay, nakita mo yung fake breakout dun sa consolidation. Chill muna tayo as of the moment. Okay, PVU, NFT World. Check natin yung PVU. May PVU yun, NFT World. PVU. Ano bang ticker? Hindi ko alam yung ticker, bro. Shiba. Tapos na tayo kay Shiba. Shiba is doing good so far. Kailangan lang niyang if it's gonna open the next 4 hour on a green candle, bumili kayo ng Shiba Inu. Trading at the momentum yun. Ito din, medyo pangit yung pinakita ni KNC. Okay? Medyo ang lakas ng resistance dito. Trying to break out. Hindi niya tinuloy after this reversal here. Kulang pa ang kanyang consolidation. So, ang lakas ng resistance ito. This is a very supply zone. Observe muna yan. Observe muna. Alam mo may kasabihan na it's better to be late at the party at sigurado kang may party. Diba? It's better to be late on a party at least may sigurado kang may party. The party that we are talking about is the MA200. It means to say, people are so bullish on the long term. Just need to buy them on a pullback. Nasa baba pa siya So, wala pang total party in general. And nagre-resist pa siya as of the moment. Speaking of KNC. So, wala pa. So, it's 9:29. 9:29. The market will open in a few minutes, if in 1 minute. For now, let's see. Tignan ko lang ang aking Forex. Okay. XRP, we're also done by XRP. Again, my top. Okay. Saan yung aking ano? Yeah. Ang top ko na ano ba ta? Lakas naman itong USD CHF ko. Ano to? Buy? Buy nga. Okay. Nag-hold siya. Lakas ito ah. Okay, ang top ko, Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB. Bumili ako kanina BNB. So, yun ang binili ko ngayon. So, the rest, observe muna ako. Why ko binili ng BNB? It's showing good signs on the daily time frame. Look at that, no? Though it's trying to resist this medyo resistance ng konti, pero hindi ganun kalakasan. Trying to hammer and honestly, all recipes are all recipes are in place for Binance. Ayan, no? Yeah, itong trigger, itong red candle na yan followed by the green candle. Yan ang triggering point. Confirmation candle na yun today eh. So it's still doing good on Binance coin. Then Ethereum ang isa kong tinitingnan as next. So it's 9:31. Check out natin. Ethereum kasi hindi pa tapos. Okay, it's 9:31. Tingnan natin where's the market going. Okay, check natin dito. Alright, sige. Alright. Okay, tapos na tayo sa crypto. Oh, yung Baba is also trying to... nagbawas pala ako ng Baba. Tama. Alright. For Alibaba, since naka times 5 leverage ako, tinanggal ko muna yung iba. Good thing. Hintayin ko lang yung mag-retest dito. Bibili ulit ako. For Alibaba. Saan ba ako bibili dyan? Nakalimutan ko. Pero may short term na ano na yan. Ang ganda na ng Alibaba. Sobra. Medyo lang may konting pullback. Pero may isang long term na ako talaga yung Alibaba na ready. Topic natin for tonight, how to scale up na topic or ano gusto nyo? Peg ratio or how to scale up? How to buy on a scale up? Like, paano ka bibili pataas all to out para mas malaki yung volume mo or peg ratio? Tingnan natin. Later, yun ang pwede maging topic natin tonight. Alright, go-to. Ayan, gusto ko tingnan nyo kasi ang lakas ito ni go-to eh. Ayan, lakas si go-to. Kita nyo si go-to oh. Mahilig magbenta ng go-to. May ano ba to? Mahilig ba to? Badoy, no? Okay, si go-to. Good volume, good momentum. Wait tayo ng pullback sa MA from the MA50. Baka ang ganda nito, ano? Nahuli tayo ng konti, no? Ayan, no? Ganda dito. Ganda ng pagkaka-breakout nitong area na to. Sobrang ganda. Okay, ngayon, hindi ko muna siya titingnan. Medyo supply zone na yan. Medyo resistance na to ng konti. Pero ilalagay ko na siya sa watchlist ko. Itong go-to na to. Ayan. Maganda na itsura niya. Titingnan lang. May enough yung base na kinireate. Okay. Pero kailangan lang natin ng konti dito. Isa pullback. Tingnan natin. Kasi most likely magre-react to eh. Magre-react to. Itong area na yan. Magre-react yan eh. If gusto mong bumili, pwede naman. May breakout siya ipinapakita. So far. Okay. May breakout siya ipinakita. Ayan. May breakout na konti eh. But, I'm gonna chill that out siguro muna. Kaya ko naman i-trade yung momentum. So, gusto ko muna mag-establish muna siya ng another brace at the high. Pero ito isa sa mga pwede nating i-trade ng maganda, no? Pwede naman today. Tingnan natin today. Test buy kaya tayo. Kumura lang. Tingnan natin, no? Tingnan natin on the next few minutes kung pwede pa itong pasukin. Ganda rin, no? Breakout area, oh. Gap, open. Is this a gap? Para masarap pag test buy, maliit lang. 5 times 5 ba ito? Wala eh, no? Tingnan natin later. Abangan natin to ha. Pero parang ang sarap mag-test buy nito. May gap na, mayroong ano eh. Yung nga lang malapit sa resistance. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Yamana Gold. Okay, Yamana Gold. Let's go to Yamana Gold. Yamana Gold. Oy, sorry. Ito ba yun? Ito ba? AUI. Daming Yamana Gold dito. Non-energy, precious materials. Though meron na siyang ipinapakitang bullish, kailangan na lang to ng another retest of a green candle closing today. Okay, kung magkaroon to ng green candle today, nag-ending, pwede itong bilhin bukas opening. Ganda naman siya so far. OCGN, nearest retest. Maganda rin pinakita nito kahapon. Okay. Ayan. After the break, ang ganda ng, wala kasing volume eh. Yung problema nito, walang volume masyado. Parang feeling ko pump lang to eh. Okay, wag nyo. Though maganda sa kanya is i-break out niya na tong descending triangle na yan. Okay. I-trail na lang natin to. Possible to, magkaroon to ng isang ganon. Dito, ganyan. Tingnan natin kung mag-hold yung blue line ko. Or if mag-retest siya sa blue line ko, pwede natin pasukin. For now, for in the next few days. Pero ngayon, masabayan natin with gap up. Hindi ko gusto. Unless, i-gap up ulit. Unless, i-breakout niya bukas. Pwede natin yan. Yung goto, masarap. Oh, lakas itong goto. Tingnan natin itong goto. Ayan, tingnan natin. Ito parang sarap i-ano na ito eh. Pababayin natin konti. Tingnan natin kung mag-hold. Yeah, parang pwede no? May volume kasi sa first 5 minutes eh. Kaya nga, ma-trade nga to today. 200 na siguro. Yan. 10% lang ako. 10% of 200 is $10. Wala kasing ano eh, no? Wala siyang times eh, no? Wala eh, no? Walang leverage. Walang leverage, brother. Okay. FCL, maganda rin pinakita ni FCL yesterday. Ito lang, trade ko na ito, mga konting few percent. Tingnan natin ko iaangat. Pero most likely sa akin may resistance dyan. Tingnan natin. Gusto ko lang trade ng konti. Tingnan natin lang. Okay. Oy, wag nyo sabay ito ha. Medyo high risk yung ginawa ko. Kasi times 1 lang naman eh. Okay, so di masyadong masakit. Okay, there you go. Teka, tingnan ko lang aking nat gas. Saan ako bibenta at mag-ano dito? Naku, bumabagsak na naman siya, sir. Ayan, malapit na. Okay. Tingnan natin dito. YMA50. Wait lang. May iangat ka pa ba? Tumama ka na ba sa MA200? Di pa eh, no? Okay, sige. Chill natin yan. Pinirake out niya eh, no? Tingnan natin. Okay, FCL. Hindi mo na sabay ito ha. Medyo ano to, konti lang ang gagawin ko dyan. Kung sabayan nyo yan, high risk ng konti. Mga 10%. Risk ko dyan, 10%. Mga $20. Ayan. So far, good naman. Okay, let's check out. Ito, tingnan ko muna to. Abangan natin yan. Pan W, Dean James Carrera, FCL, Leonilo. Good evening. Paki-check Nvidia. Let's check it out later din as well. Pan W. Pan W. Baka may makita tayong maganda rin eh. Electronic communication, computer and communication. Katakot naman tong gap na yan. Though meron naman siyang resist, meron siyang malakas na bearish divergence, bro eh. Oh, bearish divergence na to eh. Oh. Ingat ka na dito. Medyo bearish divergence na yan. Kung ito-trade mo yan by momentum, pwede ka pero low lang, konti lang. Kasi nag-breakout siya today. Pero walang momentum, kulang eh. So, ingat lang konti. FCell. FCell, maganda rin kinakita nito, oh. Kahapon, oh. Ganda rin. Ito, isa din sa mga titingnan nyo, guys. Teka, ano natin. No, meron na nga ako. Sarap naman yan. Nakikita ko. Kahapon, nag-crossover. Ngayon yung ano, tingnan natin MACD. MACD is doing good. Ganda rin may crossover din ng MACD sa 4 hour. Makabili. Tingnan natin price action wise, ha. FCell here, breakout. Ganda ng base eh. Kita nyo yung base eh, FCell eh, no? Base, oh, ganda. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ganda ng mga support eh, oh. Parang ang sarap bilhin nito, ah. Risk reward 20%. Pwede ako mag-risk ng 20% nito. 20% risk. 20% risk from the buy area. Isip tayo. Okay, makabili nga FCell. Marami akong pera eh. Marami akong pera. Thank you to Bitcoin. Thank you to may mga IRTC. Baka mag-add din ako dyan. Pero bili mo na akong FCell. Trade lang. Trade. 5 times 2 lang to. 20% of 5. $300, 600, 20%, 10%, 120, 500. Ito pwede 10%, 250. 500, 10%. 20% of 500 is $100. Pwede na. Okay, $100 tayo dito. Para long run. 50% yun eh. Tama ba? Wait lang, 250. Okay. Tama na. 20% of 500 is $100. Okay lang. Chill lang. Okay. Alright. Paki-check Nvidia. Nvidia.com. Nvidia. Yeah, there you go. Nvidia. Okay. For Nvidia, medyo chill lang tayo muna. Medyo hindi pa siya ganun ka-bullish for now. May resistance na nabubuo dito. So, observe it lang muna para sure. Okay? May dalawang medyo malakas-lakas na resistance yan eh. Okay? But showing signs of a buy signal today. If you want to risk it, have a decent cut loss for Nvidia around 4% or this area here 7%, up to you. Basta this is your initial target profit. So depende sa'yo. Are you gonna do for 1:3 for the current price? Are you gonna do for 1:3 or you're gonna do is 1:0.5? Pwede ka, bahala ka na. Pero ako yan, hintayin ko muna yan mag-trade above this area. Hintayin ko yan muna dito. Yan, hintayin ko yan dyan. Pag umano dyan. CSIQ is still, as of the moment, maganda naman siya. Pero, as of the meantime, medyo hindi pa siya fully reversal. Base is not, for me, not yet enough ang base. Test buy, pwedeng i-test buy because of that breakout there. Ngayon nga lang, tatahakin yan is MA15, dami pa eh, no? So, kung titingnan mo din dyan on that perspective, pwede nating i-trail lang muna yan for now. Test buy pwede. Pero hindi pa kasi eh. For me, parang alangan pa kasi parang pa-downtrend pa talaga siya. Pa-downtrend pa talaga siya. Ayan, no? So, hindi pa siya full reversal talaga eh. Pero, short term, malapit mag-cross yung MA5 to MA20. No? Short term. Or not, hindi pa masyado. Chill lang muna tayo. Daan-daan lang muna tayo. Okay. Okay, good thing. Binasag mo na. Sige, 5 minutes. Tingnan natin to. Malakas ka ba o mahina ka? Grabe to si brother, ah. Pag nag-resist ka, shorting ako sa'yo. Bawiyan ka ta. Okay. Alright, so, Google. Si Google tayo. Google. Alright, Google. Google as of the moment, medyo take profit medyo konti. Okay? Which is considerably healthy. Ang laki ng inangat yan, no? Ang laki ng ingat tuloy-tuloy yan. 2 buwan na sunod-sunod yan, no? On the trail. So, most likely, I'm gonna see it on this area here. Tingnan natin, i-fibo natin, guys. Saan natin ito i-fibo? Sa ilalim. Grabe naman angat nito. Grabe angat ni Google, no? Hindi, for Google, chill muna tayo dito. Most likely, baka dito pa nga yan, eh. Ang laki nung inangat, eh. Sobra, eh. Buy area natin for Google dito, strong resistance. Dito, mga yan. Diyan natin titingnan si Google. So far ngayon, take profit pa yung mga tao dyan for Google. So wala pa. PUD. Mahilig ka sa mga bottom, ano? Okay, there go. High selling. High selling support. Medyo baka bumaba pa to. Chill tayo for the... Okay, we can see some divergence there. May divergence naman na nangyayari. Okay, i-trail mo to if nag-break out, possible. Or mag-hold yan in the next few days. Ngayon, mahirap sumalo ng catch falling knife. Okay, depende. Pero may nakikita tayong divergence yan. Oh. Medyo divergence na to. So, good news yan. Good news. Yan, good news, oh. Diba? So, if you wanna buy that, pwede naman. Aggressively. But, ingat pa rin. Ingat pa rin konti. Okay? Kung mag-green candle to today, pwede rin. Pwede rin yan. Kasi nasa above 30 na ng RSI. Diba? Tingnan natin. Alright. So, OCGN is 9%. O, yan. Medyo, yan. Oh, lakas ang OCGN, no? 9%. Pero ako, test buy kayo. Dahil sa breakout na to. Baka kasi pump and dump, eh. Walang volume, eh. ET. Near it. Check natin dito mga possible bilhin. Ito, gusto ko tong iangat. For that resist. Ganda rin, no? Cup na cup, oh. Yan ang paangat sa akin ng todo, eh. BG. BG. Ayaw ni BG angat, ha. Parang may mga tinik-tinik, ha. Out na ako muna dito. Okay. Tanggalin ko muna tong kalahati. Okay. Sol. New sa crypto. Sol USD. Ito ba yun? Solana. Solana. Wala pa si Solana. Wala pa to, eh. Medyo kailangan pa tong i-retest tong area na to. Wala pa. Ayan. Medyo may support pa dito. And then, gumagawa ng lows, eh. Ano? So, tingnan natin how's it gonna turn out. A good buy maybe here. Pababay mo pa konti. Just to make sure. For Solana. So, wag natin bilhin basta-basta yan. Medyo mataas yung hinangat. Konting distribute lang gusto nyo mangyari. Alright. Tingnan natin to. Okay. Less volume. Walang volume ng sellers na, no? Angat ka kaya? Nasa resistance na, eh. Okay. Okay. Tingnan natin. MA20. Yan, MA20. Bullish din. Isa, bullish engulfing nangyari dito, eh. Okay. Retest again on this area. Tingnan natin next few minutes. May bottom to, niyo. Okay. Tingnan natin next few minutes para sure na lang. Run. Let's check out run. Tingnan natin yung binili ko kanina kung ano nangyari dito. O go to, di ba? Medyo high risk yung ginawa ko. Nag 4% down pa. SPWR. Tingnan natin SPWR. Ay, nag-breakout SPWR. Oh, galing, oh. Binenta ko iba kung binili ko dyan eh. After the gap up kasi dito, binenta ko. Hindi ko na na-trail ulit. Tingnan natin ito SPWR. Same na mga energy eh, no? Season kasi nila eh. Papuntang taglamig. Ito din oh, paangat na oh. Laki kasi base dito ni SPWR eh. Tingnan din natin dito kung meron ditong kung may pending resistance. Season ng mga paglamig, you know. 618, binirake out. Lakas. Okay, tingnan natin to kung ibangat. Lakas, oh. SPWR, Manufactured Electrical Products. Run. Run. Check natin to. Si Run, price action-wise. Tanggal natin drawing. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Meron ba dito? Base, okay naman. Run, alanganin pa ako kay Run, pero meron naman short-term signal. Okay? Medyo may short-term signal si Run. Pwede naman yan itaon. Meron naman siyang kahit pa paano konting breakout from this area here. Yan, meron dyan, no, na breakout ng konti. So, pwede naman si Run ng konti. Meron tayo nakita yung crossover ng 5 to 20. So, short-term din yan eh. So, pwede rin siya. Look, like it was crossed before here. Nagtuloy-tuloy siya, no? Before nag-hit ng resistance pa din, eh, no? Kung yung red sa purple, ikinaross over niya this area, eh, no? So, pwede naman i-test by si Run. Ingat lang for Run. Price action-wise, di pa ako kontento, eh. mRNA establishing a base. Wag muna tayong bumili. Tingnan muna natin to kay mRNA. Meron siyang gap na iniwan dito, baka i-gap down. So, chill tayo muna. EZJ Crosshair sa MICE. Ito ba yan? L? EZJ.L. Ano ba to? Ano ba yung paki-name na lang, sir? Hindi ko natin makita. KOS. Cosmos Energy. Pasan yung ayun? Wala. Cosmos Energy. Momentum-wise, oil production. Momentum-wise, pwede naman siyang up, down, up, down. Ayan. Consider natin to. Test buy pwede, pero hindi masyadong, baka mag-resistance eh. Kasi kung titignan mo din dito, ayan eh, medyo malapit-lapit sa supply zone. So, ang bias ko dito, gusto ko ibalik niya dito muna. Saka niya i-ganon. Pag binalik niya dito, tapos nagkaroon ng green candle, most likely mapabili ako dyan sa MA20. So, ngayon, hindi muna. Chill lang muna tayo dyan. Jivo. Tingnan natin si Jivo din, guys. Jivo. Uy, Jivo din. Papakitang kilos si Jivo, guys, oh. Ayan, oh, may breakout. Jivo may breakout, oh. Moving average. MACD din, meron din, oh. Makabili nga ng Jivo. Dagdag tayo Jivo, guys. Kung meron kayo. Okay, mga energy, no? Tingnan natin nga dito. Ganda rin kasi ng ano eh. Save. Ito, masarap bilhin. Ito, masarap bilhin. EasyJet. Okay, EasyJet. Let's check that EasyJet. EasyJ, ito. LSC. Okay, for EasyJet PLC, ito ba EasyJ? EasyJet PLC, ito. Crosshair Japan, eh. EasyJet, ito. Okay. For EasyJet, still doing good on the support. Okay, still doing good on the support. Medyo kailangan lang pa nitong i-establish na yeah. So, nagso-support pa. So, pag nagkaroon ng green candle on this, pwede itong i-test by if magkaroon ng green candle. Pero for now, observe muna. The strong buy must be around this area. So far, for EasyJet. for this one. So, chill tayo dito muna. For EasyJet tayo. So, also, good thing naman. Okay, kung titignan mo dyan, dito, established base, angat, established base. Nasa base period siya so far. Okay? Uy, inangat nga niya. Lakas ah. Buti daw nag-short. Inangat nga niya, sir. Okay, mRNA, KOS, tapos na tayo dyan. Run, we're done. MSFT, isa-isa lang siguro. MSFT. Sige, try natin si MSFT. MSFT 50 average. MSFT may crossover na nangyari. Si MSFT pwede yan ha. Pwede i-test by si MSFT ngayon ha. Kung mag-close to mag-close ng price ngayon ni MSFT, pwede ito i-test by. Kung magkaroon ng close na ganyan, kung retain at this price level, pwede. Pwede ito i-test by si MSFT. Risk mo lang dito, konti lang eh. Crossover siya dyan. Mga 2% lang risk mo dito eh. Or gusto mo dito, mga 3% for MSFT. Tumawid eh. Tumawid pabalik pataas. Tapos low volatility. So, medyo good siya. Good so far, MSFT. Ang gusto ko dagdagan si IRTC kung mag-breakout nito eh. Ito, nag-breakout na. Hindi pa pala. Tignan natin sa last to nag-breakout. Alright, so ang gusto ko ituro sa inyo guys is paano ba magdagdag or mag-buy up? Example, Alibaba. So pwede kang dalawa kasi strategy eh if you're gonna buy up or buy or average down. Kung mag-average down, dapat may basis ka. Example, average ka kay Baba, pababa. Dapat may basis ka sa kabibili. Average up ka din, dapat may basis ka kung paano ka mag-average up as well. So example, itong IRTC. Let's example lang ha. Dalawang beses ako bumili kay IRTC, isang 110 and 927. So yung 927 ko, 927. Okay, 927. Saka bumili ito. Ito baka mag-buy up ako dito eh. Ayan, dito ako bumili. Dito ko unang bumili sa kanya because of that support. Itong support na to, binili ko yan. Tama ba? 927. 927. Ito nga, ito. Tapos, bumili ako nung 10.1. 10.1 was around this one. Magkalapit lang ah. Okay. 927, this one. Pag bili ko dito, dapat ito yung bili na perfect dyan eh. Pero kasi ito, dito pa lang, initially, nagpakita na siya ng symptoms na magbe-breakout siya. Kaya nakita mo may week doon, oh. I was actually hoping na magbe-break siya during that day. But it did. Nag-breakout siya after a few days pa. So dito, bumili na ako dyan kasi nag-breakout na siya initially. So ngayon, bibili ulit ako ngayon for this one. Most likely, ganda kasi na yung price action eh. Ito parang tingnan natin ha. Saan ako magdadagdag? Para with volume ang pasok mo. With volume, tingnan natin dito. Tingnan ko na siguro muna to kung mag-create to ng... Yan. Tingnan ko mag-breakout or mag-create ng higher ng cup and handle. But so far, I'm gonna hold muna siguro dito. Tingnan ko muna kung ano mangyayari dito. Okay, so tingnan natin ano ba ako dito nangyari sa port ko. Nag-trade ako ng NatGas, dalawang talo, isang panalo. Ito isa, may SL ako isa. Talo pa ako isa. Na SL ako eh. Dito isa po, tumama lang isa ko dito. So okay lang. Pasokin ko. Tingnan ko Palladium pala, si Palladium, tama. Nakaligtaan ko, baka bumili ako nitong Palladium. Ayan, malapit-lapit na si Palladium, brothers. Sige, tingnan natin. May crossover, no? May crossover na. Kita niyo yung crossover, guys. Kung ito, bibili ako ngayon, magbebenta ako dito, 6% ang aking 6% cut loss. Pwede naman eh, oh. Meron siyang ano eh. Aha. Confirmation candle na lang bukas. Tingnan ko muna to. Kung magkaroon ng pero parang meron eh, no? Yun, nag-breakdown. Masusuko kasi mag-trade ngayon, guys. Eh, wait lang ha. Balik ako sa natgas ko. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Aha. Grabe yung angat. Nakita nyo angat, oh. Rejection na rejection, oh. Pero laki ng selling. Okay, take natin to. Ilang percent? Kung kukuha ko ngayon sa kanya, dito lang ako. $1 lang siguro ako. Risk ko dito 1%. 10% of 200. 10% of 200. 2%. 20%. 300. 10%. $30. Pwede siguro 10% lang. 35. Okay, go. Arga. Hindi pwede ah. Yun. Larga. Okay, larga. Palladium. Palladium naman. Tingnan ko saan pupunta si Palladium. Sige, mamaya natin. Abang ako si Palladium. Magde-decide ako bumili dyan. Palladium. Si Blue. Balikan natin si Blue. Mamaya na ako babalik kay Palladium. Blue. Si Bluebird. Bluebird. Uy, maganda rin to si Bluebird ah. Okay, promising din ah. Imagine. Uy, baka mapabili ako nito bro. Ang ganda oh. Health tech, biotech. Ganda naman ito. Higher low, higher low. Late lang tayo konti. Dito yung buy signal niya. Bilhin natin kaya to. Sige nga, mabili nga to. In fairness, ayan oh. Ano, classic na cup and handle oh. Sige, para mo nakita to. Isa kang alamat. Cup and handle. Cup and handle pattern. Cup. Where are you, cup? ABC pattern yan eh. Yun. Ayun o, classic oh. Classic cup and handle, guys. Oh, yan oh. Takto yan. Malupit naman yan. Lagawan natin ng plano. Bibili natin ngayon to. Dito ako mag 20% siguro risk ko dito. Bahala. 20% risk. Tingnan natin ng dito. 1:1. Kaya, balik natin. Tingnan natin ito angat. Ang ganda naman itong temperature pataas nito. O, sige, bili tayo nito. Ano ba yan? Napabili ako dito. Hindi ko man... Walang plano, sir. Run eh. Pinapabili mo ako eh. Okay, blue. Ano nangyari kay Goto? Bumagsak si Goto, nag 7% down, no? 14 da. Malapit na maka-atlas kay Goto, ah. Okay, bigyan natin kaya na to kay Blue. Meron. 20%? Ano yung rest ko dito? 20% of $40. $400, $800, $160. 1%, 2%. Pwede siguro. Ganda yung technicals eh. 300 lang siguro. Yan. Okay. Yan. Okay, nutgas. Grabe yung nutgas ah. Kung makagalaw, kala mo may ano eh. May galaw oh. Times 10 kasi. Okay, tingnan natin yan. BG. Nagbawas na ako kay BG, no? Wala na tuloy ako pandagdag. Tingnan natin yung nangyari kay Goto. Pero maganda rin si Goto, honestly ah. Bumagsak ko. Ayan sinasabi ko sa inyo, Nag-fake breakout lang yung resistance malapit. Kaya nag-konti lang risk ko dyan kanina eh. Ayun, tinamaan, no? Kita nyo? Sabi ko, kaya gusto ko dito pullback eh. Kung kay GoTo, ang bili nito is itong area na to. Pag itong red, sumabay yan, pwede. Pero since 10%, naka times 1 lang naman ako, okay lang. I can risk that so far. Times 1 lang naman siya. Pero si IRTC ang gusto kong dagdagan kasi may base na ako eh. This is how you do it, guys. So, this is how you form a base. So, example. Kasi ganito siya eh, no? Type number 1, kung gusto mo katulad ng ganong plano, trade plan. Paano ka magdadagdag? Paano ka ano mo yun? Sayang kasi minsan, example. Example. Depende example. Paano ko ba example dito? Ito kasi nag-take profit kasi ako ng Alibaba eh. May Alibaba ko. Ito nag-take profit. Bitcoin pala to. Kasi ito, Alibaba. So, binibase up mo siya. Something like, katulad nito. Dito ka unang bumili. Okay, di mo nakikita pa to. Pag nag-breakout yan, bili ka ulit isa. Kasi kumita na yung binili mo sa base, may base. Lalo lang may base ka dito. Pabibilin talaga ako ngayon. I-reject mo ba yung MA100 o hindi? Tanong mo nga sa akin. I-reject mo ba yung MA100 o hindi? Ganda oh. Re-respetuhin ko ba yung MA100 o hindi? Hindi ko na lang re-respetuhin yan. Walang respeto eh, no? Buy up tayo, buy up. Okay, wala na akong pera. Lah, ba't ang negative? Nakita nyo, nag-negative. 12.10. Dadoble. Okay. Nakita nyo, nag-negative. Weird, no? Wait lang. Restart natin to. Okay. Si Blue, maganda yun si Blue. Ganda ng Blue. Classic cup and handle yun. The best yun. The best yun na technical perspective. Naku, yun lang. Okay na. Alright. Okay. Ito maganda yan. Blue na yan. Risk. Yung mga ganyan, i-risk nyo na ng matindi. Example yan, no? Balik natin kay Blue, Wag na kayong... Ako dito, no? Bumili ako dito. Dito na ako magka-cut-loss dyan. I-compute nyo na lang kung hanggang saan nyo i-cut-loss. Ako 18% i-cut-loss kaya ng ganyan. Kaya, compute nyo ano yung risk tolerance nyo sa ganyan. So far. Scale up na yung gagawin ko. Kasi naghahabol na ako eh. Malapit na mag-December. Nasa 59% pa ako. 100 yung target ko eh. Up and down kasi. Naghahabol ako. Okay lang yan. Bakit mga 80% okay na ako. Nagtanggal ako ng pera. So 2% yun. 59. So far I'm good. I'm good with it. Chill lang. Kaya naghahabol ako. Kaya naghanap ako ng magandang stock lalo na ngayon. Oktoberfest. Okay. SHIB. Tapos na ako kay SHIB, sir. Shiba Inu. Pag sabi ko next 4 hours nagkaroon ng green candle yan. Pwede yan bilhin. So far, wala pa. Wala pa tayong confirmation. Okay. 4 hours. After ma-finish nito, yung candle na yan, mag-close yan above MA20. O kahit lang dyan, pwede yan bilhin. Pero ngayon, observe muna. For BNG. For SHIB. Naghahabol ako, Okay, not gas. Lahat tuloy akong pambili ng Ito, di mo maintindihan sa pupunta eh. Likot eh. Ang likot ni Natgas. Parang lakas ng base niya, Babagsak ka ba o aangat ka? OCGN lumipad! Kanina pa nga eh. Nakita nga namin yung OCGN lumipad eh. Yeah. May OCGN ba ako? I think meron na yata ako OCGN eh. Nasa kabila. Wala ako yung OCGN. Sa kabila. Alright, let's go. Alright, so check natin si BNGO. BNGO. Alright, BNGO, not quite pa. Maganda naman yung BNGO. Tingnan natin kung ni-close niya yung gap. So far, hindi pa kasi eh. Dami pa kasing gap down dito ni BNGO eh. No? Dami bang gap na iniwan. Kaya ayoko BNGO eh. No? Dami pang gap na iniwan eh. Dami pang gap eh. So, baka mag-slowly lang yan si BNGO pa ganyan eh. Yung angulo pa niya talagang okay, pababa. So, kaya ayoko pa. Unless, tsaka yan, may may death cross na nangyari, no? So, sobrang negative yung itsura niyan, kaya bearish ako dyan kay BNGO, bro. Hoy! Bad trip ka naman. Not gas. Huwag ka umangat. Okay. Tal. Si Tal. Si Tal, okay ako kay Tal kasi with regards what's happening with China. With regards with nangyayari kay China, kasi affected to kay China market eh. Sa position traders, pwede yan mag-hold. Naka-hold. Kita nyo ayan ang isang sign na medyo maganda na yung ginagawa ni Tal. After consolidation, made the super consolidation there. Fake out, consolidate again, then higher up. So nagba-box siya on na consolidation, then trying to form this MA50 plus this. Tingnan mo yan, yung mga momentum niya maangat. And with what's happening in China, medyo good news for this one. So I'm really up for Tal for a very long position play. And right now, may crossover ng 9 and 20, 5 and 20. So that's definitely a buy signal on a short term. So meron siyang short term na trending si Tal. Expect a good short term rally for Tal. Dahil sa China market as well. Naano ka rin yan sa mga private schools. Meron kasi yan si Tal for sa China market na affected. Kaya bumagsak ng todo. Isa rin yun. Isang rason. Natgas! Huwag kang mababago. Sana bumagsak yung Natgas para ano. Ayan. Matiin natin dito. Next pa natin. Malapit na tamaan yung cut loss ko kay GoTo. GPB, JPY. GBP, JPY. Forex tayo. GBP, JPY. Nakalong ako dito eh. May nakalong yata ako dito. Check ko ha. Meron ako position dito eh. GBP, JPY. Grabe naman yung NZD card. Wala na. Tapos na. Tinanggal ko na kanina. Hindi. CHF pala yun. Okay. I'm not sure kung ano ng market kanina sa kung kung naka risk off, risk on ha. Pero on a basis, medyo maganda siya long position on a good price action. So, pababayin mo siya konti kasi magre-retrace yan. Back here. Then, good yan for long position. So, medyo good yung long position siya. Breakout So, for British Pound. So, pababayin mo lang konti. It's showing weakness above this supply zone here. Okay. Pag bumabayan dito, retest, long position tayo. So, okay yan siya. Tingnan natin. Pag ito, talo pa ako dito. Ayoko na kay Natgas. Yun, Natgas. Lakas dito ng price action. Tingnan Tingnan natin ang 4-hour na to. Haha! Aha! Sige, pag close ka dito, patay ka. Perish ka. CEI, MAC. MAC. CEI, MAC. 10-14. Okay, and siguro tayo with the topic of yan. CEI. Pwede to CEI. Test buy. Ngayon. Oh, pwede test buy si CEI ngayon ah. Ayun lang. Pwede yun lang. Yun lang sabi ko dito. Test buy lang. Okay, price action wise, nasa support. May MA50 ka pa. So, MA50 bounce. Kahit siguro i-Fibo ko to, may makikita ako eh. Oh, near 786 pa. So, pwede naman. Pwede test buy for CEI. CEI na to. SPXL. SPXL. Times 3 na SPX 500. Chill pa to. Chill muna for now. Wala pa kasing full reversal eh. Okay. Wala pang full reversal ng total market. So, hindi ko rin masabi na talagang full buy. Medyo nasa gitna pa siya. So, I would not say na buy pa for now. NZD, CHF. NZD, CHF. That's your resistance there. Trying to go down on the face. There, on a technical perspective. Consolidate. Wala pa. Wala pa siyang desisyon kung saan. Treat it as sideways. So, kung nasa support siya, bili ka. Kung nasa resistance siya, resist ka. Mas malakas so far ang resistance niya. Pero mas sa support na sa major support din. No? So, treat it sideways. On this area here. So, chill ba? Wala pa tayo dyan. Not gas. Alright, TY. San W. San XYZ. Mga energy stocks talaga eh, no? Pwede naman i-test buy si San W. Okay. Cut loss mo lang dito. Dito ka mag-cut loss para konti lang. 6%. TP area dito. 1:2 mo. Mga 1:1 to eh. Pwede kayo test buy dito. Ayan. Mga 1:2. 5% cut loss ka from the current price ngayon. Pwede siya test buy. May breakout eh. So far. O balik tayo kay OCGN. Tingnan natin nangyari kay OCGN. Gap up. Ang ganda ng ginawa dito kasi ni OCGN eh. O baka kasi, ayan, may volume na pumapasok. Kung ngayon lang napakita yung volume. Oh. Kaya pala may pump na siya eh. Oh. Oh. Pullback na lang to. Ayoko nang abulin yan. Tingnan ko yan kung mag-post day. Pwede ko nang tingnan to. Lagay ko na si OCGN dito. Diyan na pala si OCGN. Chill tayo dyan. Alright. Uy, okay. Nakatlos yung go-to ko. Bumalik nga. Pero hintayin natin yan. Sana hindi makatlos tong notgas ko. Tingnan ko nga si notgas ko ulit. Parang nagpapakita ng masamang pamitain si notgas sa bullish mode. Tingnan natin kung mag-cutloss na dito. Okay. Surf. Si Surf. Ano ba nangyari kay Surf? Maglalaba ba yan? Maglalaba. Surf. Tayo nakagawa ng ng technical analysis, ng sectoral rotation, no? Health tech, biotech. Honestly, maganda na yung tsura niya, so far, ayan, no? Dito pa lang, kung ito yung tinitingnan nilang resistance. Reverse na yan, eh, oh. Breakout na lang kulang nito, ma'am. Pero something to look out. Something to look out. Meron na bubuo pang ascending triangle siya, no? Breakout na lang para sure. Test buy pwede. Okay? Test buy pwede. Rest ka lang. Bahala ka ang rest mo dito. Ako magre-rest ako dito mga 14%. Pero kung gusto mo ng tight, 10%. Yan. TP1 mo marayo-layo eh. Oh. 17%. 32. Breakout na lang kulang nito. May high volume na eh. Oh. Yan. So, isang breakout from this zone. Pwede yan pasukin. Ngayon, chill muna. Antay muna tayo ng confirmation. Baka kasi mag-react yung resistance sa taas eh. Yeah, okay. Alright, so mga nabili ko F-Cell, bumili ako F-Cell, Bluebird. Isa yan. I'm gonna cut loss from Bluebird 20% of my $300. I'm shorting Natgas. Pero babantayan ko to si Natgas. Kailangan, pag nag-breakout, out ko na siguro. Pag nag-break tong Darvas box. Para konti lang losses. Alibaba, hintay ko sa ilalim. Bumili ako IRTC. Okay, IRTC, nagbumaba ng 10%, ng 3%. So far, nagre-react ang MA100 nga. Nagdagdag ako. Kaya ako nagdagdag kasi may base na ako. So kung wala pa kayong base, wag basta-basta pumasok. Alibaba, I'm waiting it for to consolidate more again. Then magre-rebuy ako ng malaking position dyan. Maybe MA20 or MA5 will be my support. Or MA9. Depende. So far, magulo pa kasi itsura niya. Pero bullish na ako kay Alibaba. Ever since it was playing around this area here. This one pa lang, medyo bullish na talaga ako sa kanya kahit pababa pa siya. Did you know? Kilala niyo si, ang tama nito? Charlie Munger? Yung right hand ni Warren Buffett. Kilala niyo yun? Charlie ano spelling? M-U-N-G-E-R. Ang spelling ng pangalan niya. He was buying Alibaba. On that decline, bumibili na siya dito pa lang. 205. Pababa, bumibili siya pababa. So, very bullish ang tingin nila kay Alibaba because of the current condition niya. Na current condition ni Baba when it comes to the intrinsic value. So, very good yun. Let's check at Facebook daw. Alright, Facebook is below 200. Malapit sa MA50. Walang sell. Pwede mag-test buy kay Facebook. Malapit na to, ha? Because of the yung niya, no? Yung current issue niya sa whistleblower. Okay. Hanapin nyo lang yung intrinsic value ni Facebook. Tingnan natin si Facebook. Tingnan natin ng peg ratio nito. Sir. Tapos na tayo dyan. Facebook. Analyze natin si Facebook together. Growth rate. 28%. Peg ratio, discounted. Less than 1 si Facebook. Ganda ni Facebook ha. Wait lang ha. Dali. Titingnan ko ang Morningstar. Okay. Sino nakakaalam nitong peg ratio? Ito. Yan. Number 10, alam nyo yung peg ratio na to. Itong peg ratio. Kasi di ba yung PE ratio, sabi nila PE ratio is 14 below or 12 below, mura. But it's actually, kumbaga parang reflected or bounce from the total market. Example, si Facebook, ano ba ang PE ratio? Mas discounted ba siya sa total market sector niya? Pero mahirap kasi ito no? PEG ratio is divided into their growth rate. Example, ang growth rate nito is in the next 5 years, 28%. Kasi possible, yung dalawang company, ibabangga mo based on price to earnings ratio, mas mura yung isa, pero ito mas mahal. Example, company A, company B. Gusto niyo ba malaman tong PEG ratio? Number 10 on the chat box. Turuan ko kayo paano basahin. Yeah. Katulad niya, no? Si Facebook, PEG ratio 0.08. Tingnan natin. Number 8 on the chat box nyo yan. Yan. Number 10 pala sinabi ko. Sorry, nanggulo pa ako, no? Ayan. Sige, si Sir Jude, Sir Ruben, number 10 pala. Sorry, number 10. Tingnan natin to para makita natin. Okay. Alright. So, ayan, oh. Discounted na discounted nga. Ang galing. Alright, so Facebook. What's happening in Facebook? Tingnan natin ang current news sa Facebook. If you're gonna check the Facebook. Oh. Si Facebook is because of the issue ni Facebook on the whistleblower nito. Asan yung pinaka-news nito? Ayan. Whistleblower yan. Yan. Okay. Ayan. So, I'm in terms of the details nito, ang ibig sabihin parang pina-prioritize ni Facebook yung pera over what is needed. Like, syempre, mas marami kang pera for the paying the ads, yun ipa-prioritize sa algorithm. Which is fair, right? Kasi ikaw nag-i-invest ka dun sa company. So, isa yun sa fini-face nilang issue. But did you know, dami niya na itong issue before. Like, Cambridge Analytica sa election. Ano pa yung mga dito? Ang dami naging issue nito kaya mga bagsak na yan. Mga issue ni Facebook yan before eh. Pero look at Facebook right now, no? It's still trading above $300. So the question is, two things. How would you know when to buy? Oh, fundamentally, that's one question. Second question is, how would you check also the technical side? That's one thing, no? All right, let's go first for the most obvious, which is the technicals. Okay? So, titingnan mo, very obvious. On the past, since 2021, Facebook is trading bouncing on MA50. So, right now, it's near the MA50. And also, may naiwan bang gap to si Facebook? Meron tingnan natin sa daily chart later. So, right now, with the 20% discount on the fair value, it's already on a MA50. Ang question is, will it go down further? That's the question, no? Alright, so titingnan natin fundamentally din as well, which is using fair value, intrinsic value pwede rin, or PEG ratio. Tingnan natin. Alright, so likelihood na bumabato dito sa MA200, pwede siyang mangyari, but hindi natin alam kailan. So, for good companies like Facebook, which dominates the social media, this is the expected pabagsak. Okay? So that's a 7% down or 21% down. Now, the question is, on a investor mode, yung mga investor mode, paano sila nag-iisip? Marami sila. Example, are they checking the intrinsic value, the cash flow of a certain company? Is Facebook increasing in terms of cash flow in the next in the past how many years, no? Titingnan natin ang cash flow nito, financials. Ayan. Makikita natin, financial Facebook, kumikita ba siya? Is the business, because of the issue, naapektuhan ba yung negosyo niya? Yun yung unang fundamentally tingnan natin. Revenue of Facebook since 2018, so 3 years na check natin, is increasing. Check. Diba? Check. Revenue. How about the cash flow? O revenue, income, operating income, net income. Net income. Is it increasing in the next 3 years? In the past 3 years? Pwede pang 5 years? Yes, check. Okay? Number 3. Yung reserve cash ba niya is affected based on what's happening? Kumbaga parang yung asset and liabilities niya, hindi ba siya kumikita because of the certain panic na nangyari on that spot? Tumababa yung cash flow niya to support Facebook on this time of need? Meron ba siya? Tumataas ba siya in the past 3 years? Operating, free cash flow, increasing. So it means to say, kaya niyang sustentuhan ng billion, which is 23 billion from 15, 21 to 23 billion, yung company. Ganun kalaki yung cash flow. So increasing. So in terms of their operating expense or liabilities, sobra pa yung pera nila kung ibabalanse mo. So fundamentally, check. The question is, bibilin mo ba si Facebook ngayon na pababa siya? Okay. Doon mo i-check ngayon ang tinatawag nilang PEG ratio. Ano ba ang competitors ni Facebook? Yun yung tanong eh. Kasi may problema si Facebook, bibilin ko na lang ba yung competitor niya, which is Google. That's one, no? Tingnan natin dito. Which is Google dito. Stock analysis, price dito. Tingnan ba? Alright, tingnan natin dito. As rating as of 11, very, 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 very fresh tong data na to. From Morningstar. You need to pay, how much you need to pay for Morningstar? $2.5 per month to get this analysis. Okay. So, on the discount area, ang mga competition niya is Google, Verizon, and Twitter. Okay? Based on economic mode, meaning to say the economic mode, is Facebook dominates the social media. If it's narrow, meaning medyo may kaya siyang pasukin ng competition. If it's none, madali siyang pasukin ng competition. If it's wide, mahirap siyang pasukin ng competition. That's one way to put it. All right. So for a good company, it's discounting around 20% and the competition is Google, which is most likely hindi naman sila ganun kalayo. Hindi naman sila masyadong direct like in terms of social media, Google, search engine. So, di sila ganun eh. Magkaiba sila ng niche, no? Both are on discount. But Facebook is more attractive because they usually buy at their first buy at the 10% discount. 15% is at least. They double that buy at the 25, 35, 45. So bumibili sila, tinodoble nila as the stock go down, especially for good companies or wide economic mode. Now, titingnan natin, is Facebook ba really on a discount on the price per earning plus a fair value, which is the fair value of Facebook right now is how much? 407. So 20% discount. So it's trading 325, 407 is the fair value. Ganon siya ka-discounted. The question is, yung growth ba ni Facebook plus it's discounted niya, kaya ba niyang sustentuhan in the next 5 years? Yung discount ba na yon? Kasi possible na discount siya pero talagang may nangyayari sa company, bumabagsak yung earnings. 'Di ba? Kaya sinasabi kasi dalawa lang 'yan eh. Kung titingnan mo yung discount, is the discount nangyayari is because the earnings is going down, may problem talaga that there is a reason na bumabagsak, or two things, or emotionally panic selling lang because of a short term, like in election, people people don't really vote based on what the figures are showing. People usually vote based on their what? Emotion. 'Di ba? Nag sila, nagvo-vote lang yung mga tao based on emotion. So what's happening with Facebook is people are emotionally selling because of the problem of Facebook that is facing, no? And majority of the market makers is taking hold of that situation to push the price down so people will sell and they can buy the cheaper one because nakita nila fundamentally Facebook is doing good in the past 3 years. Diyan papasok yung PEG ratio. Is the growth of Facebook sustainable? Depend on the discount. So sabi sa PEG ratio, if pag-aaralan mo ang PEG ratio, saan yung FinBiz? FinBiz, ito. If the PEG ratio or the PE ratio versus growth is less than 1, it's definitely super discounted. If it's above, it's 1 at least, it's honestly a fair value, and it's above 1, it's a bit expensive, but not relatively expensive kasi pwedeng mag-2 yan pero si Google is 5. So mas mura pa rin siya versus the competition. Titingnan natin si Google, ngayon ko compare natin si Google. tingnan natin kung pare-pareho sila, is it really the sector or is it really mura talaga si Facebook? Natin si Facebook. Bibili ako sa kabila niya tong Facebook na 'to, sa long term ko. Yan, there you go. PEG ratio of 'yan, no? Oh. Means to say, pareho silang discounted pero mas mahal si si Google because it's expected to grow by wala siyang data no. Pero supposedly dapat may data ka para makuha mo yung PE ratio divided by the growth kasi yan eh. So kung because of that din siya pero Finbiz come up with the 1.5. So it means to say Google is despite the discount fair value of 13% versus its growth on the next 5 years, it's still expensive. Compared to Facebook right now, na bumabagsak siya, versus its growth in the next 5 years. Next 5 years, 28%. And the PE ratio right now, is a suma total mo. It's super discounted. It's less than 1. Compare pa natin sa iba. Twitter. The Twitter. Yan. Yan natin sa Twitter. PEG ratio. See? It's even super expensive. Look at here's my summary on that analysis. You have here Facebook, which has a wide economic moat, discounted at 20% discount, and expected to grow 36% more in the next 5 years, divided by its current PE ratio, that is less than 1 on a PEG ratio. It's super discounted compared to its competition. No? So, Twitter, sobrang mahal. Expected to grow ni Twitter is 41% divided by the current PE ratio, no, which is sobrang mahal, 132. So, sobrang mahal niya, 3 sa industry niya. Compared to Facebook that is expected to grow at least 50% in the next 5 years, divided by this one, it's going to be less than 1. So, on an analysis on their sector, Facebook is the most attractive one. So, meaning people are just panicking, capitulating, selling. And institutions are really taking advantage of that selling because of the current problem of Facebook. So, lalo na pag na 25% discount yan, sarap bilhin yan. Pero ngayon, pwede na ito i-first buy on a weekly chart. No, weekly chart. Hanapan mo lang to ng base. Magkaroon to ng base. Kung mag-average down ka, pwede itong bilhin kahit sumalo ka nito. Pero kung technically, pwede rin siya kasi nasa MA 250 na siya. Ilang percent na lang yan from the EMA 50. Kung kuripot ka talaga, that's less than 1%. Wala na akong pera nasa kabila. Meron pala, pwede akong bumili nito. Oh no, what's happening with me? 180, pwede siguro to. So isa yan, titingnan ko, open ako sa kabila akong account. Yun kasi yung mga sinasalo ko yung mga falling knife. Katulad nito, sinasalo ko dito si paano to? Sinasalo ko si Baba because of that, no? Para pag tumubo si Baba, tuloy-tuloy. Pero pinapabayaan ko na tong account. Wala akong pera dito eh. Pero gusto ko. May Facebook ako dito, alam ko eh. Wait lang Oh, I have na. $300. So, kung may pera ako, bibili ako more for Facebook. So, that's it. So, for PEG ratio, it's computed versus on your expected growth divided by PE ratio divided by expected growth. So, if it's gonna be less than 1, it's discounted. Compare mo siya sa competition niya. Paano mo makukuha yung competition niya on that? Punta ka sa Finbiz, click mo dito. Yan, ito yung mga competition niya. Apat lang naman sila eh, 3 lang sila. So on the communication services on internet, silang 3 lang naglalaban na blue chips. Yan. I hope that helps. Alam ko, may natutunan kayo for tonight. Paano naman ako if naintindihan ba yung ano ko dyan? O clear ba ang explanation ko ni PEG ratio? Yan, isa. May technicals ka na, may fundamentals ka pa. So, definitely a buy for me si Facebook. Tinamaan yung cut loss ko kay Nasdaq. Ang lakas talaga ni Nasdaq. Nag-breakout nga, brothers. Oh. Nako, bad trip yan ah. Lakas mo naman. Hindi niya inano yung MA20. Sige, okay lang. So, bibili na ako ng Facebook. Bibili ako dito. Mga times 5. Gaano kayang capitulation na yan? Wait lang ha. I'm gonna check lang Facebook when it comes to the daily chart. Daily chart of Facebook. Catching up here. Pero di ko, pag sinabi mong peg ratio, hindi porket nasa below 1 yan. Hindi na bababa yan ha. Possible bumaba pa yan. Pero good thing you bought it at a discounted price already. Long term, ang tingin mo dyan. Tingnan ko muna to. Based on... Saan ko ba ito titingnan? Pero nasa MA50, may bounce na mangyayari dito in the next few days eh. Nabiling ko na to. Sayang na 1% lang naman yun eh. Ano, MA50 yan. Tingnan, double check natin. MA50. Sakto. Green, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sige, MA50 bounce. Bilhin natin yung MA50 bounce na yan. 200 siguro. Times 5, 300 possible. 100 na lang. 10% times 5. 500, 4 to 300. Pwede na 300 dito. Ayan. Tapos trade na lang. So, gagawin ko dyan, gagawin ko yung Facebook, hindi ko na-hold forever sa account na to. Kasi pag itong account na to, pang trade eh. So, loss, win, ganun yung technique. Pero what I'm gonna do there, since nandito naman yung MA50 sa weekly chart, I'm expecting a bounce that will happen. Okay, I'm expecting a bounce from here. Then, most likely, after that bounce dito, baka magbawas ako pagdating din sa area na yan. So, ano ko lang yung bounce. Titingnan ko kung gaano siya kalakas mag-bounce. Kasi may iniwan na gap dito. May iniwan na gap dito. Meron ba? Wala. Kinulose niya lahat. Wala. Kinulose niya talaga lahat. Meron. Ayan, oh. May maliit na gap, oh. Oh, yan, oh. May maliit na gap na iniwan. Oh, from the current price to the gap, ilan yan? 13%. Pwede na rin. Ayan. So, isa yan ha. So, titingnan nyo. And, hindi ko sinabi yan na hindi bababa yan ha. Most likely, possible, bumaba pa to further. So if that's gonna happen, most likely, depende siguro mga a few percentage down, bibili pa ako around this area here. Mga 6%, 30% down, bibili pa ako yan pag bumaba yan. Doble ng current na binili ko. So, average down. High risk kasi itong account na to eh. So, kung high risk account, high risk din yung approach ko. Sa kabila, chill na lang yun. Bahala sa buhay ko. Alright. So, it's 10:42 already. Check natin. Okay. Before I go guys, would like to plug in some things before tayo dyan. Yan eh. Dapat yung mga to eh. I-ano natin sa YouTube para mayroon tayong para yung recorded makuha nyo. Gagawa ko ng mga videos yan pag may oras na ako. Problema ko talaga, oras eh. Yan, alright. So, guys, if you want to... Honestly, ako ngayon, sobrang busy. Sobrang busy ngayon ng mga buhay-buhay ko ngayon. Nag-i-expect na lang ako ng earnings sa long term. Like, hindi ako masyado... Kahapon, I did not trade. Kasi hindi talaga ako nagtingin ng port kahapon. So, wala akong pakialam sa nangyari kahapon. What's giving me profit is my robot. Diba? Type mo robot on the chat box. Izanagi is up by 7. Here's the good thing, no? Yung robot natin dito, if you're gonna check it out on our website, meron yang suited for your personality. Low risk ka, trader ka, high risk ka, meron yan. So, yung mga high risk traders yan, I'm up by 200%. And automated, si robot yung nagbibigay ng profit sa akin, almost 150 50,000 pesos in profit starting noong January. Yung isa natin na mode, which is the 15% na auto compounding, not this one, this one. Yan. Chill lang to kasi long term. Ito yung mga long term. Tapos automated pa siya, which is Valkyrie. So I put like 300,000, 10,000 earning na siya. Automated trading for me every day. I also have like mode 1 alone, which is this one, 50% risk. 10% up na din siya, 20,000 kinit. The good thing about it is this is automated. So, if you're busy, aside from investing in stock na kailangan, hindi mo kailangan, but like, you invest only in good companies. What if pangit ang stock market pababa? Like September, January, April, di ba? Yan yung mga pabagsak yung market. One part of your port is still compensating for it. And that's the purpose of the robot. So, check nyo to guys. I mean, nothing to lose kasi, of course, put only the capital that you're willing to lose. And the good thing about it as well, yung mga kasunod, yung mga kasabayan natin na mga sumabay noong July, they're already up by 60% in just less than 2 months, less than 3 months. So, yung sa akin nga, 50% pa up yung sinabayan ko yung mga kasama natin. Pag natuloy-tuloy ito, I think I'm gonna close. Etong main Izanagi ko, I think I can close 500% this year. Ganun ako kasigurado. 500%, grabe no, 500%. Parang kaya eh, kasi kung titignan mo tingnan mo yung current performance ni Izanagi. Nagpo 40% per month. No, 14, 15% per month. 15% per month to 50% ang range niya. Automated. No, automated. So if it's gonna consistently do that, I can end up 500% or 400% this year. Times 4 ng pera ko. Imagine mo. Grabe, no? And also, guys, check out Elite Club because the Elite Club can give you advanced informations like trade calls, analysis as well on what's happening in the global market. You can in as much as bawi. Honestly, bawi yan per month. And then you can also be in the community and all those stuff. And premium watches that you can enjoy para di ka na masyadong naghahanap ng mga companies. And alam din natin kung anong sector yung aangat, bababa. Hindi na-discuss sa Elite Club. So see you on this one. And last but not the least, if you want to learn how to trade, proper risk management, compute your cut loss, compute your win rate, compute everything, tapos psychologically, long-term investing principles, technicals, kompleto yung masterclass from basic to advanced. So, things that you cannot find on YouTube. No? May mga YouTube contents dito but less than 5%. Less than 5% or 10% as much. 90% are really advanced. No? So, i-ground ka namin from basic, then ihalalatak sa iyo pati hanggang advanced. So, with that, I'm gonna close for tonight. Again, it's been tomorrow. Continue tayo ng trading tomorrow. Bawi tayo. Of course, it's been a good night for everyone. At the same time, may the market be with you always. And God bless and have a good night. Thank you so much for watching. This is John from Mises Besses PH. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys. Thank you.